ganz feierlich überrechnen. Und dafür fängt man mit der Zeremonie an. Und dann machen wir als Generalversammlung an der Schwarzmodus für einen Sinne, die war, da gehen wir ein Aperitif trinken und dann gehen wir essen. Also, von der Station, dafür geht es unten mit Herrn Kau, sind drauf gehalten, das ist anscheinend eine große Zeremonie. Sie hätte gerade schon nach Taiwan kommen für die Dekoration. Sie kriegen schon aber keine Zeit. Und dafür ist gesagt, da sollen sie reinkommen. Bon, dann machen wir das mal für dich und da geht es weiter. So, I explain what we are going to do and you have the floor.
We would start with the presentation of the order first. And so,
Honorable Madam Lulling, distinguished members of Luxembourg Taiwan Friendship Association, His Excellency Ambassador Gao, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the medal awarding ceremony for our beloved Madam Lulling, stateswoman of profound erudition and vision, who has rendered Taiwan staunch support in its effort to join the United Nations and World Health Organization. Her remarkable contributions have won her the admiration of the people and government of the Republic of China, Taiwan. In recognition
Madam Lulling and members of the Luxembourg Taiwan Association. This is indeed a great day and a great honor for us because for so many years we people of Taiwan received the support, moral support, as well as political support from Madame Lulling. And for this great honor of the Order of Brilliant Star with Golden Condom is a great, one of the highest honor our people and the government can offer to friends who really give great support to Taiwan.
Thank you, Mr. Kao. I must say that I'm of course honored but I'm moved by this very special honoration that I get from the President of Taiwan. I'm very sorry that I couldn't go to Taiwan to get it from him, but I want to convey to your President my thanks, my very sincere thanks for his declaration, and I think that I accept it not only for me, but I think that with this you honor all the people who are around us here, and it's on the 20th anniversary of our association that you did it, and I think it's also to thank all those who during these 20 years have worked. I wasn't there 20 years, I must say, who have worked for this association and who still do. I'm very happy, and we will say it in our General Assembly right now, that the association is more prosperous and bigger than it ever was before. Thanks, of course, to all the people here around me, especially our treasurer and secretary, Mrs. Roche, for she should have got it. Vice President Carlo Wirth, our good friend Tyrant, and we miss our honorary president, Mr. Weirisch. Today he has another obligation, but I will tell him that we included him also, and all those who have worked for this association. And I would especially like to name the one who really started this association, who had the idea, and that is the late Willy Bursch, who 20 years ago, in '87, took the initiative to unite a few of us around the idea of founding a Luxembourg Taiwan Friendship Association. And this project materialized rather quickly, and our association was founded in '88, and it is going strongly, as I said, to this day. I want to again to say that I think it's the honor is a little too big for me. I can hardly wear it. But you know, all these things are conceived for men mainly, and it's difficult for women to wear them. But I think it's not too bad today. Yeah. And so I want to say that I accepted this decoration without referring to our government or to our minister. I'm a member of the European Parliament. I'm not responsible to the government, because I think if I had talked to the government, they may have said to me that I should not accept this because we have no diplomatic relations. I know that years and years ago, when the late Mr. Mozart got this decoration, there was a whole fuss, may I say so, in Luxembourg because he accepted it, and they had forbidden him to wear it because there were no diplomatic relations. Ich habe besucht, wir David nicht verstanden, und wir würden dann verstanden, dass es mich nicht geregelt viel persönlich scheinbar ist ja recht ein paar Jahre heim mich geholfen für die Assoziation retten. Wir sind der Meinung, dass die alle gut, besonders als Leiter am Komitee sich sollen geehrt fühlen dadurch. Von dir merci so, weil ich hätten wir gar nicht fertig, dass wir so gut geschafft hätten, für Freundschaft mit Taiwan immer mit größer, besser zu machen. Das hat den nicht drauf. It's okay, it's okay. Schon Sie also auch abgeschlossen an mein Merci für das schöne Dekoration. Nun muss ich da ausführen.
Le 10 février, 42 membres de la Ligue ont assisté au dîner du Parlement chinois pour célébrer le début de l'année du cochon au restaurant La Fontaine de Jacques à Luxembourg. 3 personnes excusées pour cause de maladie. Pour le temple supérieur de la congrégation des franciscains de la miséricorde de Luxembourg nous ont fait l'honneur d'assister à cette soirée, ainsi que le représentant adjoint de Taïwan à Bruxelles, M. Su, et le secrétaire, M. Arnoldsson. Pour le 17 mars, nous avions proposé une excursion à Bonn pour visiter l'exposition encore